Today on the channel, I want to take a look at the most versatile brush I own. I keep these around the house to clean a whole bunch of different things. I use them to clean old electronics. You've probably seen me doing that on this channel before, but I also use them to clean shoes, my hands when they're dirty, and I'll dedicate some separate ones to cleaning up food, vegetables, that kind of thing. They're awesome for cleaning up potatoes. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, stay with me till the end. I'll tell you all about them. For now, let's get going. So these are little nylon brushes. They're 2 inches by 3 inches. They're about 1 inch tall. They weigh basically nothing, and they have about 1,440 little nylon bristles on them. The bristles are strong enough to get dirt out. They're not so strong that they'll hurt you. The original intent of the brush is that it be used for surgery prep. So anywhere on your body where you might be about to have surgery, this brush is intended to clean that area before the surgeon goes in. I like to use this for cleaning up old electronics, 40-year-old Ataris or ColecoVisions, whatever you have. They tend to get pretty grimy and the dirt gets ground in there sometimes. These brushes are really useful for getting that out. They're particularly good inside the vents of old electronics because they get right in there and help flush out any dirt. I like to use them to clean shoes too. You don't want to have bristles that are too stiff or too rough or too damaging to the shoe. This shoe has a patch on it that I sewed on myself. I really don't want to damage that, but these bristles are soft enough that I can go right over the patch. It won't damage them. Of course, if you're a vegetable eater, you know cleaning the vegetables is kind of a hassle. I keep a couple of these brushes separate and I dedicate them for cleaning food. I find they're really great for getting the dirt out of celery or awesome for cleaning up potatoes. They don't rip the skin off, but they do get the dirt off. And finally, folks who work with their hands often find their hands get dirty. Whether you're a gardener, a mechanic, a woodworker, or maybe just someone who has the DIY habit, eventually your hands are gonna get dirty and you gotta clean them off. I find that these brushes are awesome for getting that dirt out, but not destroying my skin. I keep them around all the time. They make an excellent soap holder too, if you find a bar of soap that fits the top. So how about you guys? Any mechanics, gardeners, or woodworkers out there? Anybody who gets their hands really dirty? What do you do to clean your hands? I'd love to hear. Leave those comments in the comment section below. And I hope that helped you out. If it did, please feel free to like or subscribe. Liking and subscribing can really help a channel. And if you could do that for this channel, I'd really appreciate it. And as always, take care, stay safe, have fun with your DIY projects, and I'll see you next Saturday.